Hello guys, I want to introduce you to some examples of the most beautiful birds in the world. I'm sure you will be surprised. Stay with me until the end of the video. The Nicobar pigeon is a spectacular ground-dwelling pigeon with long, extravagant plumes trailing down from the neck. It is generally shy, quiet, and difficult to see. The bird's tail is snow white but only readily visible when the bird is flushed. The Nicobar pigeon is dark green intermixed with gray, blue, and bronzy orange, depending on the light. It resides mainly in the Nicobar Islands, archipelago and the eastern Indian Ocean. Now look at the beautiful pictures of this bird and enjoy! The bluebird of paradise is a bird species that belongs to the family of Paradisaeidae in the order of Passeriformes. It is mainly a frugivorous species, feeding on a good variety of fruits like figs, drupes, berries, but animal prey is also present in the diet. It includes insects, but also likely takes some vertebrates like reptiles. They typically feed alone, though females and juveniles are more likely to feed in trees in small groups. Now look and enjoy! The Scarlet Macaw is a large red, yellow, and blue Central and South American parrot. It is native to humid evergreen forests of the neotropics. Its range extends from southwestern Mexico to Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Bolivia, Venezuela and Brazil and lowlands of 1,600 feet up. Scarlet macaws are brightly colored birds with feathers ranging in color bands from scarlet on their head and shoulders, to yellow on their back and mid-wing feathers and blue on the wingtips and tail feathers. The face has short white feathers. This area surrounds the light yellow colored eyes. The long, thick beak is light on the top. Now look and enjoy! Mandarin ducks are native to East Asia and are known for their colorful plumage. The male has a distinctive appearance with a red bill, large white crescent above the eye and reddish face. The female is less colorful than the male but still has a white eye-ring and stripe running back from the eye. They are usually found in small groups or pairs and are known for their monogamous relationships. They are also known for their courtship displays which include head bobbing, preening, and whistling. Now look and enjoy! Palawan Peacock pheasant, Polyplectron napoleonis, is a medium-sized bird in the family Phasianidae. It is featured prominently in the culture of the indigenous people of Palawan. The The bird is also depicted in the official seal of the city of Puerto Princesa. The male has a black body with blue marks on the wings, the grayish, finely speckled back and tail with blue peacock eyes, white marks on the face, and a red eye ring. The female is entirely brown with a pale face. Now look and enjoy! Thank you very much for being with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Good luck!